for weeks before escaping into the lower river. Normally, the whirlpool flows counterclockwise. However, when the river level is low, the whirlpool slows and actually changes. To admire the falls, enjoy live concerts, gaze at fireworks, relax with a picnic, and delight in the nightly illumination for centuries. While most visitors are satisfied to gaze at them from shore, some have attempted to challenge their might with daring feats. Although recent daredevil attempts have been fairly successful, we still prefer our more distant, decidedly drier vantage point. The view is simply better up here, and from this angle on a sunny day, you're likely to spot several spectacular rainbows in